Listen, the smog you inhale outside is worse than the... So you're saying I shouldn't go outside? I love the outside. Fuck. Oh. Damn it, guys. Shit's getting really scary around here, okay? My first pair of gaming headphones were Razer, the Krakens, in pink. I still use a Razer mouse and keyboard. The Death Adder and the Black Widow. I like my mouse and keyboard. Don't leave the house, just die slowly. Well, not if I can raise $669.99. All right, chat. Who's gonna kick us off with a $5 tip? I'll make you a bunny with your name on it. I need someone to kick us off. We're gonna start a donation hype train. Okay, I've decided right now because I'm scared, and I don't want to die of formaldehyde poisoning. And I'm pretty sure I dropped a piece of onion on the floor. For just $5, you can help a cannibal not die of formaldehyde poisoning, okay? $5. If everybody just tipped $5, I could survive this. All right. Hi, Juanfra. Did you know about formaldehyde? The dangers of formaldehyde?
Urfus tipped $5. I can't refuse when you look at me with those eyes and threaten your death. I'll sponsor this cannibal.
Please sponsor this cannibal. Thank you for the $5 tip. I appreciate that. I'm really bad at math, but I'm pretty sure there's like, you know, 600 and...
Urfus tipped $50. Lol.
Wait, what? Thank you, Urfus. I appreciate your support, your never-ending support. No, I didn't. all of your support. You believe in me. You really don't want me to die. I'm so happy. I really wasn't so sure. If you really wanted me to live, okay? It sounded like I was maybe pulling teeth a little bit, but you've just proven that you actually don't want me to die, and I appreciate it. Okay. We just need like 600 and some odd dollars left. So for just $5 a day, you too can support a cannibal in this race against formaldehyde poisoning. You're really just so awesome, Urfus. I cannot thank you enough. You're the bestest. Just so kind and generous. You know, really just not wanting me to suffer for the formaldehyde and the spicy fingers, the spicy fingies. My reputation being slagged like this. You're just so kind, it's so thoughtful, it's so nice.